Hello, you lot, little rascals. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Sun is out. Oh, the sun is in the sky and the clouds are passing by, and today is going to be a wonderful day. There you are. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to do some sounds. I'm going to say the sound, you write it down. It's not difficult. You can find them on Moodle. Are you ready? Let's go. T. T. Okay? The next one. D. D. The next one. A. A. The next one. E. E. The next one. I. I. The next one. O. O. The next one. A. A. The next one. This is difficult. Pay attention. A. A. The next one. B. B. And the last one. V. V. Easy, isn't it?